Today we are going to learn how to draw and color with pencil colors. As it is written here, trace over the dotted line, then color the picture, giving pencil shading effect. Now, first of all, let's see which picture it is. Wow, it's a picture of a penguin, and they have drawn it but left some space with the dotted line. Now what you have to do is that have a good grip over a pencil and then cover this line. Draw this line with a steady hand. The hand should not tremble or move. Give a firm shape. And this way your penguin is complete. Right? Now they have also given one example of the shading, how to do the shading. For this shading, as you can see, we need to have brown color. So here is brown color pencil. Then for some extra light and dark effect, we should use one more dark and light brown color pencils. So I am taking these two brown shades. Then here in the beak, they have filled it with yellow color. So there are again two shades of yellow. One is mango yellow and another is lemon yellow. And then finally for the shading inside the stomach part, they have used a black pencil color. So in total we will need 5 pencil colors. So now I am ready with this. First of all, I will take this dark brown color and then we'll start doing this feather. Okay, so as you can see, the feathers outline is to be done with a dark shade, and make sure that you color always in one direction. If you have started doing from up to down, then make sure you are doing it in the same direction. First you have to give the outline, the boundary. Why so? Because otherwise the color might go out and will give a scattered look. Would you like your drawing to be shown in a very scattered manner? No, obviously not. So see, you can use very small, slow strokes, not necessarily in a fast way like this. Let me complete this outline first, and side by side you can enjoy having a good grip over the pencil, because it helps you to get a better muscular and firm grip, which gives a steady outline coloring. Now inside this, now you don't have to put the pencil hard. Take a slant angle of the pencil and start doing with the shading. Light shading, and that too is to be done in the same direction. Let's fill this outline first. Would you like the outline to be done like this or the dark as we have done earlier? You can choose any of the way which you want to do it. long free strokes which end somewhere in between the feather. Will give it even look. Sometimes you can leave it like this also, and if you are going to follow the picture given in the book, you can fill it from the downside to upside this way. As you can see, they are merging somewhere in between, but they are still giving you a look of incomplete shading. Now in between we can merge these two colors like this. Yes. Now the shading can be made better using a lighter brown shade, which will help it to give a fuller look. But make sure that you will give the shades in the same direction. For coloring in the beak, I am using yellow color with a dark outline to give it a strong look. Make sure that the color doesn't come out. Right? Now to fill it, we'll take sharpened yellow color and then fill it inside in one direction. This time I am taking from left to right direction. No upward and downward strokes. If you have started with left to right, then keep it in one direction. We can fill the empty spaces inside by coloring it again. And at the end, once the yellow color is complete and giving a fuller effect, then you can again move some finger like this on this, or you can use some cotton to spread it and give it an even look. Now comes the third part, that is the central body part, where they have not filled any color but they have only given the outline. That means this time we don't need to give a bold outline, just shading in one direction. Can you see? See? Let's start with the other side with light hand, not very, you don't need to give pressure to your hand. the curves you have to be more careful, because it will break the line from there and it can give a rough look. So the shading is the outline in the central portion can be finished by giving the small strokes short strokes. You can use any of the way, longer strokes or the shorter ones, as you are comfortable. Both give a different look, so it is up to you whether you want to draw it with a longer stroke as we had done earlier, or using a short stroke as we are doing now. But at both times you have to give a finishing touch by merging both the strokes. Yes, it will take some time, but then the end result will be very impressive. Again, just finish it by using some merging with the finger. Same way you can fill this feather and the claws. These are very simple because it's a small place where we don't need much of the shading. We just fill it with brown color in one direction. Again, can you see the similarity? Right. So now in the face, it's better to use short strokes. It will give a matte look. Let's finish our shading by giving shade into the mouth, face. You all can do it very nicely. You all have been blessed with a strong hand and a creative mind. You just need to use it, and a very beautiful, colorful picture will be there in front of you, which you have done. Yes? And now the last part. You can start using it from up to down or from left to right. I am more comfortable doing it from left to right, so I will be shading it from left to right, first in small short strokes in both sides so that the color doesn't go out, as we have already discussed. By making the boundary, it always helps. You can also do from up to down. So we have filled this with even, wait, this one small feather, the wing of the penguin is left. So let's finish it also. And here is the final look of the penguin, which we have done just now. Enjoy coloring and shading, my dear students.